For the purpose of this demonstration, we started with an existing 6819 MPC backplate that had been in the field for quite some time. This backplate is no longer usable as it's got extreme wear. So today we are taking an existing backplate from a manure pump and showing how we need to prep and clean the bore area for a new seal installation. We need to get the bore area cleaned well, get all of the rust and corrosion cleaned off, but we want to do that without removing material from the backplate itself. We're just using a Scotch-Brite pad, and we're just going to get in and clean the bore as well as we can. We're also going to look for any scratches, divots, defects that might be present in the seal bore, as this needs to be a good, smooth, sound surface. So the critical area for the sealing of the stationary face is the side of the seal bore, but you want the bottom of the seal bore to be as clean as possible as well, so the stationary face gets fully seated. Yeah, that looks pretty good, I think. There was one little...
I've got a Scotch-Brite pad here.
Okay. So as you can see, we've got the seal bore cleaned up way better than when we started, but there's a little rough spot where something was banging it that we need to just smooth out and relieve the edge. So the sharp areas were just removed right at the edge without going into the seal bore, and that will just ensure that when we install the stationary seat, it doesn't damage the O-ring as we're putting it in. And that's pretty much what we're shooting for. Again, we just want as good a clean, smooth surface to give that O-ring the best possible chance to fully seat in the seal bore.